Building good habits is a powerful way to improve your overall well-being. In this video, I will discuss 10 ways on how to make good habits in life. Watch this video to the end, because the 10th way is the most important of all. Just take a few minutes to listen and learn. Thanks. Way number 1. Start small and specific. Don't overwhelm yourself by trying to change everything at once. Take a small, achievable habit to focus on, like drinking a glass of water in the morning or doing 10 minutes of light exercise. Way number 2. Make it a daily routine. Integrate your new habit into your daily routine. This will make it more likely to stick. For instance, pair your new morning exercise with brushing your teeth. Before we move to the number 3, if you are new to this channel, do well and like this video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell button. It doesn't cost any money. Please do this to support us. Thanks as you do so. Way number 3. Celebrate progress. Acknowledge and reward yourself for sticking to your habit. This positive reinforcement will help you stay motivated. Way number 4. Be patient. It takes time to form a new habit. Don't get discouraged if you slip up occasionally. Just get back on track and keep going. Way number 5. Find an accountability partner. Sometimes having someone to check in with can make a big difference. Share your goals with a friend, family member, or online community and ask them to hold you accountable. Way number 6. Focus on the benefits. Remind yourself why you're building this habit. Visualize how it will improve your life in the long run. This will help you stay motivated when the going gets tough. Way number 7. Make it enjoyable. If a habit feels like a chore, you're less likely to stick with it. Find ways to make your habit enjoyable. Listen to music while you exercise or read a book you love before bed. Way number 8. Don't be afraid to adapt. Life throws curveballs. Be flexible and willing to adapt your habits as needed. Maybe your morning workout needs to become an evening one due to a schedule change. That's okay. Way number 9. Celebrate milestones. Not every win is created equal. Acknowledge and celebrate significant milestones, like reaching a fitness goal or sticking to your habit for a month. Way number 10. Make it a lifestyle. The ultimate goal is for your good habits to become an ingrained part of your lifestyle. When this happens, they no longer feel like effort, but rather a natural part of who you are. Remember, building good habits is a journey, not a destination. By following these tips and staying patient, you can transform your life for the better, one habit at a time. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like this video. Also subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon. See you in our next video.